Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic. Thanks for joining me. So for my craft haul for October, would you believe I have only had one small purchase? So unfortunately, I was away, no crafting at all in October as my son was in hospital for 3 weeks throughout the month. Thankfully, he's home now. But I just wanted to give a quick update at the start of this just to explain why it's such a quick video, but I still wanted to share it with you anyway. I've been to our local craft store for the love of scrap in Joondalup in WA, and I've got a few little goodies to share with you. So first of all, I got these fine tip scissors. They were only $2.50, that's why I got them. This particular brand is Portercraft, is a really cheap brand here, but I've not had any trouble with the products, and look how fine they are. So I thought they are definitely worth a purchase for the price point. I also picked up some more glossy accents. These were $12, and as you can see, it's quite a big bottle, 2 fluid ounces or 59 mils. The one that I've got at the moment, I actually keep in here. So you can see I do still have a little bit left, but this is just getting so clogged that it's hard to use. So I thought I'd try again doing it straight from the bottle. I also got this refill for my alcohol lift ink pad. I thought I'd give it another try. Every time I use the pad, it just never works very well, and I'm wondering if it's because I need a bit of a refill on it. Maybe it's dried up. So I thought I'd grab this while it was $7.50, because I really do like playing with alcohol inks. And if you saw my video for my craft favourites in September, you will know that I practically used up all of this tape. So normally I would get scrapbook.com, but as I was in a local store, I picked up Express It. It's also a really good brand I've used many times before. This is 1/2 inch wide. I really like this thickness of tape above any of the others. You can see it was $7, and I really do need this because I'm running out. So it was just good to be able to pick this up. I also delved in, look, this is my very first purchase of Distress Oxides, and they had my 2 favourite colours in. So I think I've mentioned before, when you go to this store, if you spend $60 you get a stamp on a card, and these two made it up to $60. The rest of the stuff was $40. So what I used to do is buy things like alcohol inks. I used to buy perfect pearls to make up my $60. My plan now is whenever I do have an extra $10 left to spend or so, then I will pick up one of these colours each time I go in. Now, let me show you some papers that I got. Again, this is for December Daily. These are actually, some of these are Kaiser Craft. I hope you can see, I hope it's coming through for you. These are all foil ones, so they were $2.50 each, and this is from the Whimsy Wishes collection. As you know, I always have a blue themed Christmas. These are double-sided. This really does remind me of the Indigo and Ivory collection as well, but I thought that would be great to go as a page in my December Daily. Also went for this white one with a foil effect, so I hope that's coming through, and it's just got that grey sky at the back. So again, the Whimsy collection. This one I absolutely love with this script and the foil effect. And again, that perfect shade of blue that I need. And again, a nice neutral grey on the back. And then, of course, I couldn't resist this. You know, I always like these cut apart sheets. I think they're great value for money because I'll be able to cut all this out and use these on my pages themselves with my photos and my journaling, and any that are left over will get used for Christmas cards next year as well. And that gorgeous blue at the back. I also picked up some more Once Upon a Christmas from Uniquely Creative, so I'll put a link to my video. Actually, my first purchase from them was this collection, and even now, feeling the difference in these thicknesses of these papers, you know, you can really tell the quality. But I thought I would pick up a few more of these 12x12 because my album is going to be 8x7, so my 6x6 paper pad isn't going to be able to provide me with many pages, but I'll be able to get a couple from each of these. And I've just picked up these two because these are my favourite out of them all, and obviously I'm going to be using them double-sided, so another reason why I went for the 12x12 pad. But I think those two collections seem to be able to work together very well, so I was glad to come across this. I don't buy a lot of Kaiser Craft, I'll be honest, but this one fits perfectly for my plans for December Daily, and that is my first purchase for the month of October. Hope you have a great crafting week, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.